Hello friends, welcome to Infotech channel. Today we will install and configure file server in Microsoft Windows Server 2022. We will start before please subscribe to my channel. I am regularly creating a video on Fortinet and Microsoft Windows Server 2022. So we start now. Okay, just go to role and features. Here file and iSCSI services 1 to 2 installed. Okay, file server you just need to click. Okay, then next, because I already installed. Okay, so now we will create shared drives. Once you install your file server successfully, you can see here file storage services management. Okay, now we will create a shared drive. Okay, this is my shared drive. I will share this. Now here we create some folder for some shared drives like IT documents. Then we create finance. Okay. Then we create HR. Okay. Now we will share this folder to our specific user. Share. Done. Set permission. Okay, permission, if you set to everyone, you can. If you want to select a specific user, okay, you can select your user also here. See, I select one user. You can give my right to read, change, full control. I will give him the full control. Okay, apply. Same finance you can verify. Share. This is network path. Okay. So now we will test this. I will set the security as well. Now I will go to my virtual machine. See here my all IT documents, finance, HR, all shared drives you can see. Now you can also map this drive. Okay, I will show you how you can map this drive in Windows 11 for drive. Okay, you need to type your server name, then your drive name. Okay, I will try one more time. Map the successfully. See here HR. Now you can create folder and everything. So this is our Windows Server 2022 file server. It's very easy. If you have any question, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.